The top paid illnesses, okay, practically has been repeating for what, 1 or 2 decades already. Try to check PhilHealth website, it's there. Okay? So, there is a pattern. Okay? Now, is there something wrong with it? No, probably no, because DOH data will also show that pneumonia is number 1. Now, the top paid illnesses are the illnesses wherein PhilHealth funds, okay, much of it goes to those illnesses. Okay? In short, yung pera ho ni PhilHealth, a big chunk of it are being used to pay for those top illnesses. Paulit-ulit ho yan. Okay? It goes way, way back. Even for fee-for-service, many of them are basically the same. There is a pattern. It is a vicious cycle. Gaya ng sinabi ho ninyo, same cases. The top of admission, same lang po. Same lang. Okay? CAP, AGE, UTI. Okay? Tama ho kayo lahat. Okay? There is a pattern. So, I'll give you now the next slide. Okay? Bilisan natin ng konti ha. This one. This is now for the procedure case rate. Okay? Dialysis, newborn care, maternity package. Okay. To be very quick, okay, kung 10 ho ito, about 5 or 6 of that OB-related yan or sa papanganak. Okay? So yan, that's this is 2016. I'll go now to 2017. It's the same. Okay? Majority ho is nandyan. Dialysis, newborn care, cesarean, and eto hong cataract, hindi nawawala. Okay? And radiation therapy. Okay? So these are the procedure case rate for 2017. Now, for 2018, yan po. It's actually the same. Okay? This is, I think, 2019. So, ang question ho, okay, or rather, there's no question. Okay? To summarize it, paulit-ulit ho yun. Both the top 10 paid medical and the top 10 procedural case rate, paulit-ulit. Okay? Paulit-ulit yan. That's nationwide. So, I will explain to you the relationship of those things later. Okay?